Pradam Maharaj. Here we have again in this Sunday self-development class, and here we are with another topic that life is a life game or fight. We have seen that for few of us, life is very easy, and whatever they desire to achieve, they achieve it very easily. And when at the same time, we find that for a few of us, it become very miserable. So for the very basic things, they have to struggle like anything. So people are like to conclude about the life that it is for few of us, it is very easy like a game, and for all of rest of others, it is a battle of every day. So what will be the true perspective of the life? What should the ideal way to see the life? Please elaborate, Maharaj, so that we can have a true perspective of our life. Over to you, Swamiji.
Yesterday, topic is life is game or fight. This is a very interesting thing to know also. You see, when we feel hungry, we have to eat. Nobody can eat for us. If we are sick, we have to take the medicine. Nobody can take medicine for us. That means we have to live our lives. There's no other way. If this is understood, then 80-90% problem of the life will be solved easily. And you can make your life cheerful or happy or miserable, both in your hands. Everyone has intellect, but they're lacking how to use this intellect rightly. They cannot utilize this intellect to choose rightly. For example, father gives 500 rupees to each of the two sons, to purchase something from. Other one has bought some candle. So naturally, candle give the light. Intelligent, he has utilized the intelligence right. First one, not right. Which is the common mistake happening in our day-to-day life. That after eating the chocolate, he throw out the chocolate paper. But some are there who make them dull. So these are the examples how they utilize their intellect in a right way or rightly. Because of this, that intellect part of the life, we are not able to use it correctly or rightly. We make a life miserable like a fight or peaceful like a game. Fight means miserable. When you are fighting, that is miserable. When you play, that is cheerful, beautiful. See, game, what is the difference between game and fight? Game, 2% is required, fight, 2% is required. Game, there is an opponent, and fight also, opponent is there. But what is the difference between game and fight? The difference is that in game, friendship remains. There is no hatred, no destruction, no enmity. Whereas in fight, is enmity is there, destruction is there, hatred is there. So when life becomes sportsmanship, that is a game. And a life becoming aware fighting, that is a fight. Then come to the life. What is life? Series of experience. Series of experience. For experience, two things are required. One is experiencer, and one is experiencing object. One is object, one is subject. So, what is the subject or object? Object is the whole world, sun, moon, house, car, relatives, house, everything. There is the object or experience. And who is the experiencer? Me. That means me, self is the subject or experiencer. Rest of the world is the object or experience. There is the two parties. One, me, other, outside world. That is the two parties. Experiencing, experiencer, and experience. So, if you make you aware, that means if you fight to the whole world, rest of the world, in our day-to-day life, this fight or game is going on. One side is me or myself, other side is the rest of the world. That is going on 24 hours, either game or fight. If there is a game, they produce some cheerfulness, give the result, misery. That we experience every day, and every day, every moment, the two parties is there. Either you are playing or you are fighting with the rest of the world. But remember, myself one side and rest of the world is other side. See, even playing, there is certain rules. Everywhere rules are there. Working in the society, why the rules are made? Rules are made for smooth going, smooth functioning, and everything goes smoothly. So the rules by which we play the game of the life is dharma. If you want to play the world, myself, me, and rest of the world, you want to play these two parties, then you have to follow the dharma. So either you have to follow it, then it will be game. If you do not follow, then there is a misery. The meaning is you have to follow the dharma, then life becomes play or game. See, when we are telling the game of the life, take the example of the cricket. Cricket also two parties, one is batsman, one is the bowler. Batsman facing the balls from the bowler in dangerous, very critical, and all types of balls batsman is facing with his bat. In our practical life, we are facing different kind of balls, dangerous balls, different angles, the form of problems of the life, family life, society, and personal problems. In the ball are like problems from different angle and different attitudes. Maybe family, maybe medical problem, maybe society is a problem. So we are facing the little bat. We are facing all problems of the society, of the life, with our little bat. How we are batting? With little bat. What is the little bat? Our university degrees. Our university degrees are little bat. And with this small bat, we are facing all these problems. So there is failure. So what is the right bat to face the problems of the life? Coming from the second party or rest of the world. Second party means rest of the world. The first party means myself. So what is the bat by which we have to play with all problems the rest of the world? That is discriminating power. We have no discriminating power. Because of that, Viveka, we are not able to bat, we are not able to play, make our life a game. By only university degree, it is not possible. University degree is one kind of, without discrimination, is a curse. Knowledge kills us. Knowledge kills us because lack of discrimination. For one example, I am giving. The three friends had gone to abroad for higher studies. They came back after a long time and meet each other. One is telling, I have learned how to put dead body together. Other is telling, I know how to give life to this dead body. Third one, he told, I've just studied general studies of the life, common sense. While they are going, they met the tiger cut into pieces. So one put them together. Second was, is going to give the life. Third one protested, no, you don't do it. He refused. Then third one climbed it. So second one gave the life. The tiger ultimately eat both of them. Third one, he climbed the tree, so he is safe. So similar way, most of the cases, without discrimination, this knowledge is killing us, not only us, even the society. You see how many harms are going on in the society, even have university degree, because it's a little bad, without discriminating power. So failure and ultimately suffer the society, and we are the sufferer sometimes because of others, due to others. So when you play the world with debate, then it is a game. When you play the world without debate, that is a fight. It is our choice. We will fight with the rest of the world or play with the rest of the world. It is our choice. That means important is game or fight. Vivek should be there, then it is a game. And everything will be there. So that sense, life is game or fight, it is your choice. How you want to play with the rest of the world in the way of game or in the way of the fight. Now we can ask any questions. This is the few points I told about the game and fight. I'm asking questions on this point.
Yes, Bharat, very nicely you have elaborated. One thing, a natural question may come that yes, it is a discriminating power which we lack in our life. So naturally, a question come: how to develop this power of discriminating power?
See, first is discriminating power. You have to develop through your practice, common sense. You have to encourage your common sense. The point is here that notion is that only university degrees we can face we face with the world or face with the problems. That is not true at all. It is unsuccessful in the life. The point is the vivek or discriminating power. That you have to develop Hello. And that you have to develop practice, and you know that by thinking level toward thought, deep thinking and practice introspection improve your discriminating power, which is right and which is wrong. Discriminating power is how to use intellect, how and where to use intellect. That is the discriminating power. Discriminating power, how and where to use intellect for your benefit or benefit of the society. That is Vivek. क्या सुनाई दे रहा है?
Yes, Maharaj. Yes. Anybody else who want to ask any question?
मेरा इधर करंट चला गया इसलिए पिक्चर नहीं आ रहा है.
थोड़ा dim है.
ठीक है. Then we can close here.
ठीक है महाराज, we can.
Any questions, anybody? Or you can close it. Okay. Have my love and blessings. अच्छा रहो, आनंद में रहो. Jai Thakur.